Faster than traditional mechanical switches, Razer Linear Optical switch technology uses optical beam-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light, 15–30% shorter actuation distance than other linear switches at 1.0 mm. Ultimate personalization gaming immersion with Razer Chroma. Fully syncs with popular games, Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30+ partners. Supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Quality. Aluminum construction. Covered with a matte, aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. Oil-resistant double-shot PBT keycaps. Made of textured, high-grade PBT for a more durable and textured finish less prone to long-term grime buildup. Fully programmable macros. Razer Hypershift allows for all keys and keypress combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. Top reviews from the United States. Great gaming keyboard. The keyboard itself is great. The keycaps are made with PBT plastic that makes them feel great and never get that oily look normal keycaps usually get. I am using this keyboard for gaming with a PS5 coding, regular use on a Mac, and it works great with both devices. The feel of the proprietary clicky optical switches is great and comparable with other keyboards I've used with MX Blue switches. However, I do wish it had better stabilizers as these ones make a very subtle rattly noise.